Hello, welcome to Math Micros. This video is all about easy and simple tricks to solve these kind of shape puzzles. In this video, we are gonna look at these kind of shape picture puzzles and the easy simple tricks to solve them without using algebra method. So let's go. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. This shape picture puzzle has three shape types: a circle, a triangle and a square. It has three equations: a circle plus triangle is equal to 36, a circle plus a square is equal to 32, a square plus a triangle is equal to 26. We need to find these shape number so that it satisfies these three equations. You can pause the video to have a think. Alright, look at the first and the second equation carefully. A circle and a triangle is added to get 36, and a circle and a square is added to get 32. Here, the circle is the same, it stays the same. From these, we can make out that the circle stays the same, right? So, we can rule out the circle. The difference between the two equations is the second shape. We found a triangle in the first one and we can find a square in the second one, right? And it's obvious that the triangle is 4 more than the square, as the difference between the two equations, that is the number 36 and 32, the difference between them is 36 minus 32 is 4. So we can make out that the triangle is 4 more than the square. So which we can represent it as a triangle is equal to 4 plus a square, right? With this, let's check out the last equation. So we are going to substitute the triangle in the last equation. So instead of triangle, we are going to use 4 plus a square. So let's go in the last equation. The last equation is triangle plus a square is equal to 26, right? So instead of the triangle, we are going to use 4 plus square. So after substitution, it will be a square plus 4, again plus a square is equal to 26. So 2 squares is 26 minus 4, right? So 2 squares will be 22. Then 1 square is equal to 11. So we found the square number, which is 11. Now we are going to use the square number in the second equation. So what's the second equation? It's a circle plus a square is equal to 32. We now know the square is 11. So instead of the square, we substitute 11. So circle plus 11 is equal to 32. So the circle will be 32 minus 11, which is 21. So now we found two shapes. We need to find the third and the final shape. So using the same square shape number 11, we are going to substitute in the equation 3. The equation 3 is a square plus triangle is 26, right? So we are going to use the square shape number 11. So instead of square, we put 11. So 11 plus a triangle is equal to 26. So a triangle will be 26 minus 11, which is 15. So the triangle is 15. Finally, we found all the shape numbers. We can cross-verify these answers by substituting in the left side of these three equations so that you get the number found at the right side of the equation. Hope you enjoyed solving this. Subscribe and share this video and check out for more math videos from Math Micros. Thank you.